Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips for optimizing your Python code. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, use built-in functions. Python has many built-in functions that are optimized for performance. Instead of writing your own functions to perform simple tasks, try using built-in functions whenever possible. For example, use the sum function to calculate the sum of a list of numbers. Tip number 2, use generators instead of lists. Generators are a more memory-efficient alternative to lists in Python. They produce values on the fly instead of storing them in memory. If you're working with large datasets, consider using generators instead of lists. Here's an example. Tip number 3, use the join method to concatenate strings. When you need to concatenate many strings in Python, it's more efficient to use the join method than to use the plus operator. The join method is optimized for performance and avoids creating unnecessary string objects. Here's an example. Tip number 4, use local variables instead of global variables. Accessing local variables is faster than accessing global variables in Python. Whenever possible, use local variables instead of global variables in your functions. Here's an example. Tip number 5, use a profiler to identify performance bottlenecks. If you're not sure where your code is running slowly, use a profiler to identify performance bottlenecks. A profiler measures the execution time of different parts of your code and helps you find the areas that need optimization. Here's an example using the cProfile module. That's it for this video. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Python tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.